Indian flag pattern on the 6x6 Rubik's Cube. For those of you who are not familiar with reading cube algorithms on bigger cubes, I have already made a video on the same, and I've linked it to the description box below. You can have a look and it will be useful while solving this pattern. So let's move on to the positioning of the cube. So first of all, you need to position it in such a way that the blue layer is in front, orange on the right side, and the white layer at the top. The algorithm U wide, D wide prime twice, L wide. Now we need to move two layers at once. 3U prime, 4U prime, L wide prime. Now 3U, 4U, R wide prime, three U, 4U, R wide, 3U prime, 4U prime, and you have got the Indian flag pattern on the 6x6 Rubik's Cube. Now to get this cube back to its solved state, what you need to do is you need to repeat the same algorithm in reverse. So you need to do the 3U, 4U once, R wide prime, 3U prime, 4U prime, R wide. Now moving to the left side, 3U prime, 4U prime, L wide, 3U, 4U, L wide prime, now D wide twice, U wide prime once, and the cube is solved.